Hi, I'm József from the Radioship project, and today I would like to introduce you to the Radioship toolkit. It is an open source initiative dedicated to making the power of speech-to-text accessible to community radios everywhere. Radioship is a joint initiative of Tilos Radio and Civil Radio, two famous Hungarian community radios, and nyes.hu, an online popular science magazine. The community radios serve as vibrant platforms for free speech and foster essential social discourse. They have collected and continue to generate large amounts of valuable content in the form of linear audio. But searching in audio content is not trivial. Past broadcasts quickly get buried in the extensive archives, even though they have recorded important details and background information that may be highly relevant to understand past and current events. Our mission is to liberate the invaluable knowledge of these audio archives by transforming them into searchable text and making it accessible through commonly used search engines. However, this project is not just about Hungarian content. We would like to provide an open source toolkit that allows anyone to process their own audio archive for any language, entirely free. The Radioship toolkit has three key components: a Hungarian automatic speech-to-text transcriber model, a user-friendly training pipeline that allows anybody with very little coding knowledge to create new models for other languages, and a command-line application for applying the model to audio files. First, let's talk about the Hungarian transcriber model. It is a language-specific neural network that recognizes speech sounds and translates them to written characters. Creating such a model requires a lot of speech data that already has good quality transcriptions, so the network can learn to associate sounds to characters. We decided to use the Mozilla Common Voice project for data collection, as it has a user-friendly interface and it is an open data project, so all data collected for our purposes will be published and can be used by anyone. When we started, the Hungarian corpus had only a few hours of validated speech in it. So we started a volunteer campaign on nyes.hu and Tilos Radio's website. The goal was to collect 100 hours of data. We estimated that this would allow us to build a reasonable quality model that enables search. Through the incredible dedication of the volunteers joining our cause, we have reached and passed that, but the data validation is still ongoing. We regularly retrain the model as new data comes in, so our results can get better and better. You can find the link to the Hungarian model on our website, or by searching for Radioship on huggingface.co. The next part of the toolkit is the training pipeline itself, which created the Hungarian transcriber model. By providing enough quality speech data, the pipeline can be used to create new models for any other language. We chose to build the training pipeline using Google Colab notebooks. These notebooks not only document the process, but also provide an interface to run the code. This enables users, regardless of their coding background, to engage with the model creation process. And we would like to encourage you to do so. As our toolkit evolves, we plan to feature models created by individuals like you on our future website. The Mozilla Common Voice project already has many great language-specific datasets. But as our example shows, it can also be extended through community efforts. There is a third part to the toolkit. Creating the models in a user-friendly way is not worth much if using the model requires advanced technical skills. We have made our Hungarian model available on huggingface.co, making it convenient for those who need to transcribe smaller audio files. But for larger databases, like the ones created by community radios, we have developed a command-line application streamlining this process. After downloading and installing the tool from our GitHub repository, you can run it from a Unix command line by providing an input folder with an audio files and an output folder where the text files will be created. By default, it downloads and uses our Hungarian model, but you can provide any other model you have locally on your machine or on huggingface.co. We invite you to explore our GitHub repository, experiment with our toolkit, and join us in our mission to unlock the wealth of information hidden in audio archives. Thank you for your attention.